This is a hacking glitch that you can get in the game, but we're not here to talk about the glitch. We are here to talk about what's in the glitch. So there are like a bunch of different like icons and stuff. There's like over here you got all the currencies. Not sure what this currency is though. Right here, not sure what that is. There's like old currencies, new currencies. But that's also not what we're here to talk about. We are here to talk about these elements. These elements have been deleted from Prodigy. And yeah, so let's just start the video. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is this one, the astral element. Not sure why they have one for this because as we know, the astral element is something that you can't like capture. So it's kind of weird. And on to the next element, which is this element. This is what Chill and Char's element used to be. So it's kind of like an old element that was deleted from the game, but not really because it's a mixture of the fire and the ice type. And then they just got rid of it and made it a water type, because I guess that's kind of what you get when you combine them. But we're not going to go into any of that. But so this is what Chill and Char's used to look like. I guess they just changed it because there wasn't really any reason to have this. It probably didn't have many weaknesses. So yeah, on to the next one. This one doesn't matter, but this one is one of the other ones that was deleted from the game. This is the big hex old element, which was kind of like an electric type, but I think they deleted this because they decided that they couldn't make a new element for every single buddy that, or every single epic that they were adding, so they just got rid of this one and changed it to an electric type, because that's basically what it was. And then on to the last one, which isn't an element really, but it's still kind of weird. We have the shadow element. Not sure why this one's here, because you would never have this in your book when you're playing Prodigy. So that's kind of weird. Maybe you were able to, like, there was a shadow pet that you were able to catch in old Prodigy. I don't know because I didn't play it, but yeah, that's basically gonna end the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Sorry if my voice sounds weird because I am still sick, and bye.